Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Adnaan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about YouTube's paid membership. So what is it all about? So guys, first I'll show you in my PC about the paid membership. When you click on your icon and you find membership option over here, just click on it. And then you will be redirected to another page where there is nothing except the heading paid membership. So what is it all about? So guys, it allows you to add a merchandise section below your video on your channel or your videos also, so that you can sell and make out extra profit from YouTube, and you will have to pay some amount in the partnership with YouTube. And it is available for the channels that have almost 100,000 subscribers, and then you also get the merchandise section for the YouTube channels those have 10,000 subscribers. And guys, the YouTube is also launching another upload setting, that is Premiere. So you just find first private, public, and then unlisted. Now you will find a section called Premiere, in which you can upload videos that are pre-recorded, but you can use them as your live videos. You can just edit your live videos from there. When you see my previous videos, that is all of those were live, but you didn't see any intro in them. You can just add an intro, remove background noise, and you can add lower thirds to your live streams, and you can edit things like that. So to become a paid membership, you need to have 100,000 subscribers, and you'll need to I think the viewers must pay $4.59 something, and they can become a paid member of your channel, and they can get unique badges, your channel's emojis, and things like that. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then make sure you like it and subscribe to our channel Unboxer TV, and check out our collab channels in the link. All those links are in the description. Make sure you check them out. Thanks for watching guys. Meet you in the next one. Bye bye.